What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fix the issue when you are unable to open up Discord on your Windows 11 PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First of all, it's recommended to reset your app session by logging in to the web version of Discord first. In your favorite browser, navigate to discord.com. From here, select Open Discord in your browser. This will allow you to use Discord from your browser and should reset your in-app session. Next, make sure to completely exit out of the application on your PC. To do so, open up your Task Manager by searching for it in your Start menu search. In the Processes tab, try to locate the Discord processes and make sure to end them by selecting End Process. A reliable network connection is also important for the Discord application to properly work. I suggest changing your network connection to see if this step helps to run Discord on your PC. In case this did not help you out, then search for Discord in your Start menu search. Right-click the icon and select Open File Location. In your File Explorer, right-click the Discord app and select Properties. In your Applications Properties, under Compatibility, make sure to run the program in compatibility mode for Windows 7. You should also disable full screen optimizations. Don't forget to apply your changes. In case nothing helped you out, then you should reinstall the Discord application. To do so, navigate back to your app's system settings. Under Apps and Features, search for Discord. Click on the burger menu on the right-hand side and select Uninstall. This will take a moment to uninstall Discord from your system. When navigating to discord.com, you will be able to re-download the installer, which should only take a few seconds to complete, until you can use Discord on your system again. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.